Hi everybody and welcome to the Bunker 501 YouTube channel. Today we're doing an unboxing of the Storm HP-R HPA system. Inside the box we're going to find our manual, which will help us with installation. It has very nice diagrams and pictures on how to do everything. Also, of course, we're going to find our hose, our FCU with a screen wired to DINs. Very easy to adjust all the options that you have. Also, we're going to have our ETU trigger board, our accessory pack with shims for adjusting the nozzle to our desired length for our hot-up unit, and of course our wire connector. And of course, moving on to the engine itself, it's a nice aluminium design, all CNC, nice and shiny. So now that we have everything laid out, let's see if you can look inside the engine itself. Taking it apart, we can just twist off the top. Inside we're gonna find our pop nozzle. Seems to be tightly fitted inside the housing. Doesn't have too much grease on it, and the O-ring seems very nice in size without any play. On the main housing you see a warning for the use pressure. Max of course is about 140 psi. This ends we have the solenoid, which is connected to the main body. Also a small valve that I just dropped. Everything seems to be nicely machined and finished. There are no weird marks or any fitment issue. Also a nice touch, it indexes when you put it back together, so you always know that you have correctly mounted it. So this is our unboxing and preview of the HP-R Storm HPA engine. For this and more, check out bunker501.nl.